In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix no display on your phone. That phone is called a Simba phone. It's a refurbished phone or a China phone. This phone, a customer brought this phone to me. He said that when he on the phone, it will not display, but it will make sound. So to her, the screen of that phone is bad. That is what other engineers are telling her. So when I opened the phone, I discovered something strange there in that phone. I discovered that the light is bad. So here's how I fix it. So that is it. So I run a jumper from that second leg to the fourth leg. Watch that video carefully. Yeah, look at it. I bridge it or I join it together. So I've on the phone. It have displayed now. So anytime you want to fix phone like that, you try to run a jumper. If you discover that the screen of that phone is good, but if the screen is bad, you can change another one. But as for this one, we change another screen, but it's still showing something like that. So I use my tweezer or picker to trace the fault. And if you look at the body of that screen, you will see that they write minus and plus. So that is the negative and positive leg of the light. There are different ways of doing this, but this is a simpler way for doing it on my part. So that is how to run a jumper on your 20 leg or 24 leg LCD. It works in all these 20 legs or 20 legs, 24 leg screen. So that's just a simple way of fixing something like that. Second leg and fourth leg. But sometimes you can use your picker. You can use your picker or your tweezer to trace it. Any place that display light, you can run your jumper. We have different pattern or way of doing it. But this is the simplest way of doing it on my part. Some can run it directly from the screen light to the keypad light. Some can run it on the screen leg to the keypad light. Some can use other methods to fix it. But this method is very simple. The most simplest method of running jumper on your display light of this phone. I hope you enjoyed this video, engineer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.